Reese catches me up at the very last holes.
Today we are at Blizzard Beach, and after we've been here for a couple of hours, we are going to go over there to the other mini golf because we really liked the Fantasia on yesterday. So we're going to go do some of the slides. I'll try to use my waterproof camera again. If not, you'll see us play golf. Then we may be going to Magic Kingdom for some late night rides, but we'll see if that goes ahead or not. So hopefully you're about to see me and Chelsie in some rides on slides, Lazy River at Blizzard Beach Water Park. So see you real soon. There she is. She's going down a slide. It's summer. They're doing the Winter Summer Games with Christoph and Olaf. Team Christoph, Team Olaf. Gone skiing. Back into the case you go, unfortunately. My case sucks, I got a scratch on the lens. If these videos are terrible, I'm sorry. Goodbye, Blizzard Beach. But we are gonna head out on over, just across the road over here to is it Winter Summerland? Mini golf. Because somebody over here needs to take a vengeance from yesterday. She's got to catch up with 5-stroke lead by me. So we're going to hand over to our sports commentator, M. Jones. Welcome to the Winter Summerland course. We join as Chelsie walks up to the first tee. She needs to catch up 5 shots, and she's hoping she can do it very early on in the match. It's an exciting day here at the Disney Mini Golf Tour 2016. There's already some keen golfers out on the course, and we're hoping for a good day from the pair. Let's see how they get on the first hole. We join Chelsie on the first hole. She's about to take a back stroke, so we can be quiet. Shh. Quiet around the corner, please. Oh, she comes around the corner. How's she doing? It's one shot. She's lined straight with the hole. How can she do? She's taking her time. Oh, she shanked it wide of the hole. Let's see how she does on this third stroke. Oh. Oh, so close. Oh, it was a beauty. Oh, is it wrong back? It's oh. And here is her 4th stroke. Just a little taboo. Let's see how Michael does. After 4 holes, we have a tied game at 12-12. Let's see how Chelsie does on the 5th. Rink in the new year. Beside the net, you'll find the hole. We hope your putt's a shot on goal. Let's see how she does. She can't get the ball still on the ice. Fair play, that must be difficult. Let's see how she does. Oh, it's a straight putt. Oh, wide of the goal. Oh, and she does not want to be behind the goal. That is the worst place for the ball to be stuck. Can she get back from here? Let's see how she does. Tapped it around. Oh, it's a beautiful putt. Beautiful. A little stick in front of her. Will that put her off? Oh, so close. Can she finish it off for the 4? Oh no. Oh, fire. Oh god. She is choking on the ice. Oh god, sweet Jesus. 7. We'll count as a 6 though. Will be nice. We'll ignore that little tap. So close to so far. Unprecedented levels of golf here at the Disney Mini Golf Tour 2016. Chelsie with 2 holes in 1 in a row. Unrecorded, unfortunately, but I promise you it went in and it was very frustrating. I mean, commentator. Yes, and Mike also got a hole in 1 on hole 7. Oh, here's Chelsie on hole 8. No, 3 in a row. She just got 3 holes in 1 in a row. It's a turkey from the bowling world. Now watch Michael mess this up and get like a 6. 3 holes in 1 in a row. How does she do it? Let's see how Michael does. Got it?
Yep.
She's a savage. Come on, baby. Come on. No. She hits a shot off like all those things and it goes in. I get that. Chelsie takes the lead by 1. So after 11 holes, Chelsie on the left still leading by 1. Michael did catch up there on the 9th hole, but Chelsie brought it back on the 10th. Michael with beautiful hole in 1 on the 9th. Straight through the drawbridge of the castle. Now let's see how they do on hole 12. Just waiting for the party in front of them, so we'll just wait a second, folks. And we're back here at hole 12. Chelsie, ready to putt. Can she get it through the tunnel snow? She's, oh, not happy with her ball placement. Let's see what she does here. Oh, that is not where she wanted it to go, folks. Can she still get the lucky roll around the side? I'm not sure if I can follow where it goes. Has it come around the side? Oh, it should be an easy one, but... Oh, is it going to roll back? Oh, the luck is with her today. Let's see how Michael does.
It always catches me up at the very last holes. No.
Okay, so I wasn't going to show you every hole, but this is a unique part of the Disney Mini Golf Tour 2016. Just the putt. Now watch where this ball goes, folks. It's made a metallic noise. It goes up in the spiral. Let's see where it goes. I think it comes flying out the top. Where's the hole? Oh, the hole is down below. Will this go straight in? Will it roll back? Oh! Gutted, it's only a 1, only a 2. Is it 2? Yes. Oh, no, it's a 3, folks. It's a 3. 17th hole includes a pop-up Mickey Mouse. The scores at the moment are tied. Let's see. I'll bring you the scores straight after this hole. And on the 17th hole, Chelsie got a hole in one, Mike got a 3. He's winning by 2, and this is the easiest hole in one you've ever seen in your life. You just hit it into the computer. Let's see how Chelsie does. I mean, if she messes this up, it will be glorious. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Charlotte's web of deceits. Indeed, that's smart. Don't trust him. Don't trust him. Thank you. Aww.